Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a little bit of a different video, but I recently set up my A6 rings. This is an Aura Estelle beautifully made planners. We'll get to that in a second, but I am going to be taking this with me on vacation, so I wanted to show you guys what I am packing with me. I'm going to be adding, I think, a couple of things. One, have any of you guys ever traveled carry-on with a slice tool? Yes, no, questionable. Let me know in the comments down below because I am confused as to what I can and can't bring. This is an Aura Estelle pencil case. I think this is one of like the new colorways. I also have a black one, but I have a couple of things in here to bring with me. And like I said, I might bring a slice tool. Not sure if I can. If I can't bring a slice tool, I'll probably just pack like an extra washi guard to cut washi. But this is a beautifully made pencil case. It is a leather, and I think this is 14 karat gold plated or something like that. 24, I don't know. Look at their website. It's super cute. I love the color blocking, and the inside's like a suede kind of feeling. So I am bringing my Tombow whiteout, which is my tried and true. I'm bringing this Rose Color Days overlay tape that I haven't opened, and I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I'm putting it in there. I have 3 mild liners. So I have a purple one. I'm not sure if there's a color name, but a purple one. Oh, I didn't even know that there was another side. Interesting. That's how much I pay attention. And then I have a blue, and then I have a gray. Kind of matches my spread, my like theme. And then I also have an extra Villa Beautiful pen. And for some reason, I don't think I got all of the like top bit off of this one. If you guys have any suggestions on how to get like more of it off, because I feel like this one doesn't write as well as the other one, but I might just like switch the refills because they do come with the refills. So I might do that, but I have an extra one there. I'm actually going to throw in the refill just because you never know what's going to happen. And I don't want to be without a pen because I've been doing so good with this planner. So my whiteout makes it a little chunky, but that's called using it. So this is an Aura Estelle planner. It is an A6, which is my preferred size. I have a few different colors. I have this color, which is like I don't know all the names. This is like a gray with like an interior of like a lilac-y, dusty purple. And then the other ones I have are the black on black, the pink on pink, the one that's like a darker gray than this. I think that might be called Seattle or Whisper or something, with the same color inside. And then I have a gray on gray, I believe it is. I can't see that far away, but I have quite a few of them, and they're all so amazingly made. I don't want this to become like a commercial, and I'm not sponsored or anything. Was gifted these planners, but I stayed with Aura Estelle Tiki and her family for almost a week, and they hosted us in Vancouver for Marg's wedding. And the amount of like work that they put into making sure that these planners are like the most pristine thing in the whole entire world blows my mind. At some points I was just like, I don't know what's wrong with this planner that you're saying is like a misfit. Like, they'd show me something, and like if you put like 10 of them in front of me and were like, gun to the head, what's wrong with these, like I wouldn't be able to figure it out. But they're just like so crazy about quality, and I just honestly, they're very good hosts and I love them, and I just think their product is like superb, super high quality. I feel like I've just seen so much that I know that it's like so worth it. But I also have some Sicilies from her, which are super cute, which are like those hobo things. Actually, let me show you guys that real quick. I haven't used it yet, but this is the like dark gray color that I was talking about. And I did print out some inserts, and I have something else that somebody else is releasing that's going to go right here that I'm really excited about. But I have my tried and true favorite pen here, and then I just printed out these Jasenia inserts. So I have a meal plan one. So this is going to be kind of like my real life, and this is like my work life, real life, work life. So this is the meal plan one from Jasenia. These are like TN inserts. This is the just like the monthly, and then this is the lists, and then this is the other monthly, different kind of monthly, kind of like perpetual almost, but not really. So this is the Sicily. So it has a pocket here that you can put whatever you want in, anything. And then you have card pockets. I have something here. Oh, a sticky note pocket. You have a regular pocket here. You have a pocket in the back, which was to put like your hobo in. You have strings. You have 4 strings. You have a pen loop. You have these little D-rings so you can make a chain and wear it as a purse. It's just is crazy. Innovation. You have the little strap that you can kind of make it chunkier or slimmer, which I thought was really cool whenever I saw it like forever ago from them. And in the back, this is meant to be able to put your phone in. So whenever you're kind of like carrying this, if you wanted to carry it as a purse, it's all together. And I just think this is genius. Tiki is very genius, I think. She's very innovative. I said that a while ago whenever I did a video about like the strap and things like that and the rings and strings combo. So let's go into this planner. So I did take out the strings just because for this planner in particular, I'm probably not going to put inserts in it, but I like that there's the option. And you could also easily restring it because you just like loop it around and tie it. So you have the pockets here, and then you have this pocket, and then inside of these pockets, I did use the Magic TN kit mostly, the Magic 2.0. So I have a die cut here, a die cut here. I have a Rose Color Days hollow washi card with just a bunch of different washes on it from Simply Gilded. So we have white with silver, gold, black with gold, silver, and hollow on there for easy use, because you know I can make it cute and match the planner, but I'm actually like using this, so I want it to be like ultra functional. Then I have just the washi card that matched that set, so it has the balloons on one side and the castle on the other, just kind of tucked in here because there are a couple decorative elements to this. So this is my second time filming this because I didn't realize I had 11 billion pictures of Bennett throughout this without any type of like covering. So first I have a acetate with my name on it. This is lettered by Paper and Milk, and I love Denise, and I could not commit to just putting this on here, so I like putting these on acetate. So if I want to use it in a future spread, it is there for me. I have my first dashboard, which is the journaling card with the girls. It's double-sided, which is cool, so I don't have to like worry about decorating the other side. This, like I said, is mostly stuff from the Magic 2.0 TN kit, which is still available in the shop. So all of my inserts are from Jasenia of Jasenia Printables, as well as the Planner Sophisticate on Instagram. So this is the list kind of area. I have two different lists in here you're gonna see, and I'm trying to decide which one I like better. So for now, I'm just gonna use both. So I have this, then I have the Magic journaling card. This is just another one of the double-sided ones. Nice because I didn't have to worry about the other side being blank or anything. So there is the castle on the one side, which I love that scene, and then the Starbucks type cup on the other side. I do have another little, should I actually put this the opposite way? Let's put this the opposite way. So it's decorating the front instead of the back. So this is another acetate with the Fox and Pip bow, again in like a sparkly hollow color. Again, couldn't commit, so I put it on an acetate, which is super nice for future use. Like I said, I do have two different types of lists in here. This one is like a bigger list, and you can put the, you know, like a project and then just check things off as you go. I like to like categorize my list versus having like one long running to-do lists. Then this one here just has a picture of Bubba against the purple wall. Super cute. And then I just used this sticky notepad to cover them up. This is such a cute little sticky notepad. I thought I could use that. Then I do have a pocket behind here that I did cut just so it could fit better on the A6. I could have moved it over a little bit more, I think, but I just kind of liked it like that, and then I can stick whatever I need in here. And these are available in sets of 4 in the shop, so you get a gold, silver, rose gold, and hollow in a pack, as well as this, which is a bow acetate. I do have these available in the shop as well in the gold, silver, rose gold, hollow bundle, if you want to pick those up. Then I have my monthly, again, by Jasenia. There is this, which has the vinyl of the castle, which is available in the shop, and then a hollow doily. Then on the back, I have another picture of me with Bubba. These were all taken at Disney because, again, this was like a magical theme. So the other one was Purple Wall. This is him wearing my pink mouse ears, which are super cute. I need to update it because I have so many more cute Disney pictures of him. This is just a divider that I was using to kind of mark my daily area. And this divider, I don't know who it's by because I got it at PlannerCon and there was no like wrapping on it, but if you look on Etsy, I'm sure you can find something similar. This is what I'm using for my weekly. This is actually not this week or next week, but the next week. So I pre-planned in 3 weeks because that's how I can print them out. And I went ahead and used, I think I used a mini kit maybe, but I am using these by Jasenia. If you guys want to see me do like a plan with me using this, I can do that. I just won't like fill anything out. But I'm doing like my high level, like including personal, like on the top here. So for example, this is going to say Hawaii, coming home from Hawaii, and then something else is going there. Then over here I'm going to do new releases, so all of my releases for the week. I do what collections, what foil, the wiggle, any other notes here, and then daily. So this is all work related for besides the top part. So these are all work related tasks. So some things that I do every week will be in there already, and then sometimes I have boxes for if I'm going to work to do labels, or if it's a new releases, Wiggle Wednesday, mystery stock, things like that. And then in the back I am doing, this is priorities, but I'm just going to do the 3 videos I'm doing, and then there is 6 here, so I'm going to be doing the SPC feed story, plans, feed story. So this is like tracking my social media, see what I'm neglecting in the most part. Then you have things to do, and don't forget, those are going to be like my personal stuff, but also kind of like other things. This is a picture of me, Nick Bennett, in front of the castle, another one of the acetates, and then I just have some grid paper because personally I just love grid. I have another one of the double-sided girl journaling cards, and then just some more random lists for some reason. Don't know. But they're in there, and then I have this adorable picture of Bennett and Cinderella, which I love. It's probably one of the cutest pictures of Bennett. One of my favorites, for sure. Then I have some more die cuts on the back. And then what I did was here is I just took one of these books, which I get on Amazon. I think I have it linked in my like Amazon store. And I just took 2 pages out of it and cut it down to A6 size. So rather than keeping the whole kit in here, like in the pockets and stuff, and just, you know, the pages are big and things like that, I could just pull out some things that I think I might want. So this current week of the 4th of July is pretty much done, so I didn't pull anything out. But then this is the next week, which is a Sadie stickers kit, and then the next week I'm using an SPC kit, and I just have 2 of those because I was figuring I could even put some like other functional stickers on here as well. I have this, which was, I believe, an envelope from Jasenia. I just really love that it had my name on there, and whenever I close it, you can still kind of see it. And a little bit of this sticky note pad from, I believe, Simply Gilded. On the back, I do have this Mark die cut, which is super cute. It is in the shop, as well as this cut pocket. This is from Happy Scrappy. Then I have this jelly pocket thing. I'm not sure where this is from. I did put a sticker on it though, but I just have some Sadie stickers, icons, and bow headers for future use in there. I'm sure I'll add more things to it. I kind of like putting freebies in there, like the idea of putting freebies in there. And then last but not least, I had this extra dashboard that I made, which this is from Jasenia. It says Pantone Holographic Mood, which is so cute. And I just figured I'd leave it back there because I did have another section, but I didn't need it. Then in the back, I have some of the foil seals from that kit on our like matte paper versus like the old ones, which were like glossy-ish, I guess. And then I did also cut out this girl, laminate her, and then stick her on just like the plain piece of lamination so she can kind of be like peeking out. It's from one of the journaling cards, so I kind of use those a lot. Then I also have this journaling, not the journal card, washi card from Simply Gilded in here just as a decoration, along with 2 die cuts. And then I have this Peonies Paperie, I believe it's called, super cute bow. I love the like floppiness of her bows, super cute. And then I have my Villa Beautiful pen, which is adorable. She sent me this one. I'm not sure what it's called, but I love it. So that's everything in my A6 planner. I hope that you guys liked it. Like I said, if you want to see me do like a work plan with me, like really basics, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do that over the next couple of weeks. But this is everything I'm taking with me to plan in Hawaii. I'm really excited, and it's just so cute. So I'll definitely take pictures of it and kind of show you guys different spreads from now on, because I think that this is kind of like my work planner piece. So let me know if you guys want to see more of this type of stuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.